This spacious 2002 Toyota RAV4 is equipped with a responsive 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine, an effortless automatic transmission, the safety and security of all-wheel drive, and has 84,584 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include the manufacturer's audio system equipped with AM, FM radio and cassette deck and a 4-speaker sound system. It also gets an estimated 27 miles per gallon on the highway, and 22 in the city. For your comfort, this SUV has an illuminated entry system and a ventilation system with a recirculation setting. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include both driver and passenger front airbags. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.
Hanson Dodge City Jeep is located west of